Pores, pores, all kinds of pores. Hi guys, I'm gonna start this video with a quick demo. As you can see, I am applying the BB cream with a buffing brush. I am showing you all my red spots on my face, and I'm buffing it into my skin, and as you can see, it's transforming into my skin tone. Is that a phrase that we say? Well, yeah, it's blending into my skin tone. Yeah, girl, you're red, we get it. So on this other side of my face, I'm gonna use just my hands. I'm gonna slather it all over my face. And I don't know if you noticed, but I used way more product on that side of the face. And it's at this point I remember I'm supposed to use a beauty blender, so here we go. I'm trying to save face by using a beauty blender. There you go, it's nice and sticky, so I'm gonna use some powder just to mattify everything and make it less sticky. And there it is. It's a kind of uneven looking, and here I am giving you all the unflattering angles. Zooming in. Pores, pores, all kinds of pores. Oh my gosh. So yeah, you see everything with this cream. It almost highlights it, to be honest with you. Let's talk BB creams, and today's BB cream is this BB cream. This is the Body Shop all-in-one BB cream. Yeah, it's a tinted moisturizer, you know what I mean? It's gonna tint your skin. It's gonna give it a little bit of warmth, and it's gonna make it a little bit more even and a little less red for sure. So this is the color. It's a white cream. Then you just blend it into your skin. Look how white my arm is compared to my face. So yeah, as you can see, it's warming up. It's giving it a slight tint, a slight warmth. So you can see, very nice. It's actually very nice. I like the shade. I do. I like the shade. No false claims on the from the website. No false claims or anything like that. It is non-clogging. Because I recently got a facial, and she said there wasn't, you know, my pores weren't clogged up or anything like that. So I would say it is non-clogging. It does, I guess my face was hydrated. It wasn't dry, so it provided something. Even finish, sure. Light to medium coverage. Medium coverage. I don't think so. Light coverage, adapts to your skin tone, sure. Easy to apply, yes, you could apply with your hands, although you save a little more product if you use a brush. I guess you want more coverage, you can put more product, but you're gonna use up this whole thing if you use it for medium coverage. It never really sinks in, you know what I mean? It's gonna be on there, and I've worn this like the whole day. I did try applying like up to a medium coverage, and it wasn't pretty. I used so much product, and yeah, you got better coverage. You will get better coverage. I mean, it will do better at masking all your pigmentations, but it was so much product, and it was so heavy on the skin because this is very dewy. Even with the light application, it feels very dewy. It feels like you have lotion or sunscreen on your skin. Also, yeah, this is a little dark. You know, I mean, my face is naturally darker than my neck, so while this product will color adapt to my face and give me a nice warm glow, I would still have to deal with the sort of like different skin tones from here to here, and since my neck is a lot lighter than my face, it almost enhanced the darkness of my face. I was at a I think I was at the Mac counter and the lady and the Mac sales lady was like, what foundation are you using? Because the foundation you're using is a lot dark. And I was kind of like, bitch, rude. But yeah, it was true. It's true. I ended up actually buying a new foundation and I learned that my skin was acidic. Anyway, that's for another video. But to get back to this, yeah, so the skin tone here would be like very different. So what I did as a hack for that is I just took the excess product on my face and I just put it on my neck and I put a little bronzer there, whatever, you know, or just like do this, you know, whatever. I'm not self-conscious about having a different shade of face. I'm a notable nobody, so who cares? There are more expensive BB creams out there, and I think that they decided to price themselves as 1,000 is a little bit crazy. Just look, this is, I forgot the price of this, but I know this is a lot cheaper. And then look at this and look at the size of it, and this is like what, half the price of this. At this price point, 1,000, there are more expensive ones out there, but those expensive ones tend to have more product and they also provide more coverage, and they have SPF and more effective. And there are definitely cheaper products than this that also have the SPF, better coverage, and more product. So I'm gonna have to give this a negative review. I'm not gonna throw it away. I don't hate the product, and also I spent a lot of money on this product, so I'm gonna use it. I don't hate on the product too much. This BB cream, it doesn't have SPF, and that bugs me. I don't want to be so hateful towards the Body Shop. Buy something else. Well, I hope I didn't take too much of your time. I didn't rant for too long. Yeah, the Body Shop's a good shop and they have a lot of good items, and I suggest you just buy those items but not this item. I will be reviewing more BB creams until I find my perfect shade, my perfect one, but I haven't found it. Maybe you guys have your holy grail BB cream already. I'm still looking for an upgrade on mine. The Body Shop BB cream was just way overpriced, not enough product, didn't do enough, and it just kind of was mediocre. Sad. Well, thank you for listening to me rant. I have to go. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Psych, this is not a BB cream review, it's a Vape Nation video. Okay, pranked ya. Damn it, bitch, where'd you hide? I can't find the product now. It's ashamed of itself and it went into hiding. Very light coverage.